There are 4 ways how nail tech gets paid. The most common way is commission, where you go work for an owner. They provide all the products. You just have to bring your spirit to work and do the service. Whatever service you provide, they get 60% or 40% or 50%, whatever you negotiate with your boss. However, the con is that you have to sit there, wait for the walk-in. Some of them work 6 days a week, and sometimes you pick quantity over quality because you know the more service you do, the more money you make. The second way nailtech gets paid is booth rental, where you rent our station, you pay a monthly fee, and you provide all the product and all the service, but you get to keep 100%. That is the best way to go. However, if you do not have a lot of clientele and you are booth rental, sometimes you end up drowning yourself slowly. The third way is hourly, but I don't see a lot of salon paying hourly. Yes, it is great getting paid by the hour, but the con is that if you do $100 set of nail and you're only getting paid 12 bucks, that's not reasonable, and that's why it's a con. Last but not least is you become an owner, which costs a lot of money to become an owner. Yes, it is rewarding that you have a nice shop, but the stress comes with that cost, y'all. You be babysitting all the stylists, they be complaining to you, you be dealing with the laws. It's like you open a shop just to babysit the adults. That's what it's all about, but that's how all nail techs get paid, y'all.